This is you. Are you a marketing guru and you're having a bad day? Well, we've got the antidote for your guru-itis, my cringy friend. See, I hold the record for the most clever solutions for guru problems after 20 years of experience. You're getting your Stripe account back after it was closed, asshole. You're doing a launch 10 times bigger than you ever did before. And we're gonna isolate that missing element. You're gonna be able to weed out the sleeper cells and trolls in your Facebook group that are hiding in the dark catacombs beneath the surface. And when a competitor slanders your ass, you can strike back with the weight of 10,000 dump trucks. When your Meta Business Manager gets banned, you all of a sudden have 3 more to choose from. How did that happen? And when you're fresh out of ideas, you won't have to copy your competitors ever again, because you'll have enough concepts to hand down to your next generation. You won't have to move to Dubai while peddling BizOps disguised as B2B, and you're going to learn how to rally your clients outside government offices with picket signs that say "Save the Guru" when you get into trouble. See, when your disheveled developer rug pulls your project, we will show you creative and clever solutions to negotiate your funds back. We will show you how to create decoys so that when your competitor copies you, his launch will suck absolute ass. And you're missing your back-end revenue. The lifetime value of your customers should be in the tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands. You won't have to disappear for 3 years and then explain to your followers why you're back now with a new hairstyle. Because you are joining Guru Hospital, my corny narcissist friend. That's right. Every Thursday, all of the gurus are getting together with me. It's not up for debate that Dr. Jamie is the most creative guru on planet Earth. And my creative solutions will be custom tailored to fix your shitty scenario, sir. So, join the ultimate mastermind for high net worth gurus. No matter if you're all roided up, you're cringe as fuck, went bankrupt, or your affiliates blacklisted your ass for the last time. It's time for the healing to begin, my rent-a-Lambo for Instagram friend. You're getting back in the saddle, and you'll be educating again and using my creative tricks. Your following will give you that second chance, even more than they did for Vanilla Ice or Robert Downey Jr. Sign up for a one-time fee, and you're coming to every webinar that I do every Thursday. So clear out your schedule and learn the secrets of the gurus. This is Dr. Jamie for Guru Hospital.